Hi friends, today we are going to see how to use selectors in our day-to-day automation needs. There are two wildcards used to make a selector dynamic. Okay, and we can use variables for making the selectors dynamic. Let's get started. Here I have created a simple sequence in which I am going to use activities to type into the text boxes, to type into the notepad. Okay, so here I'll take a type into, indicate a notepad, and just type Kunal. Okay, and I'll take another type into, indicate another notepad, and type there Suryavanshi. Okay, let's run this code now. I've ran that code. So it has typed Kunal in B notepad and Suryavanshi in A notepad. So how the Uipath identified in which notepad does it is to be the content is to be typed. So it identified by using the selector. In selector, you can see these are the XML tags by which it identifies a particular notepad. It has identified a notepad. So if I make this A, I'll remove A and put a star symbol, what we say as a asterisk. So this is denoted by, this makes it as dynamic. Let's say at the place of A, if there is B, C, D, any number, any alphabet, or let's say there are two, three more words in front of this dash in the title of the notepad, then also it will be selected and typed into it. Okay, I'll do it. Okay, now let's see the selector of another, let's see the selector of this one. Here also you can see, here it is B. I'll do it, I'll do it as question mark, validate, and okay. Now what I'll do, remove this and remove this as well. Let's see in which notepad it types. Okay, so I run the file, typed here and here. So it typed into only one notepad file, the one which was selected by me, the one which was active last time. In it got inserted. Okay, so how it didn't identify the another one, because the selector was made dynamic. Now over here you can see for multiple words we use star. Let's say if the title was something like, we'll change the title of this file. Okay, we'll change it from here, we'll make it, close it now, save it. Let's say make it ABC D. Okay, and we'll close this, save this, and we'll open this now. Okay, I will remove this again. And if I run this again now, let's see what is over here. Here it is only question mark. See, it is not getting validated because there is multiple characters in the name before this dash and space. Okay, in the title you can see here A, B, C, D. So for each character we will have to put one question mark. Okay, say in the question mark 1, 2, 3. Okay, now it will get validated, but if I remove one it won't get validated. Let's do it without validation only. Let's see we does it get written by this code. This was our previous automation. So it is trying to find out. It will give an error if it does not find out any notepad with 3 characters dash notepad name. Okay. See, just given an error. It didn't find this notepad because its selector, in its selector there was the in its selector there was only three question marks we used. Okay, so if I ignore these, you can see now a step into it has typed Suryavanshi perfectly. Okay, I'll just continue it. Now over here I'll go and edit the selector and just remove this and put. Let's indicate. Okay, and this is open. Okay, and I'll just make this as start. Now it's validated. Now we'll run it again. See, it has typed Kunal Suryavansh. Okay, so we'll see font. We'll increase the font for single character. Use question mark in selector for multiple character. We have to use star symbol in selector. Okay. Okay. Now we'll see. Can we use variables? So the answer is yes, we can use variable. We'll take a sample variable as a, okay, and we'll read the selector, remove this, okay, and use a variable a, a. See, the value of a will be added over here. Not reflecting, but it will. Don't worry. We'll add over here a, b, c, b. Now let's say not getting validated yet. Let's try running it. Okay. Oh, it's not open. That's why it is. So it got ran. I opened the file. That's why it got ran. Okay. The file was closed. That's why it was not getting validated as well. So we saw that we can add variable as well in the selector. Okay. In our day-to-day automation, we need these things. Okay. Let's say there is some selector which is getting changed on some condition or some parameters, uh, or in some cases the selector is different. In that case, we have to pass variables, keep it dynamic by using asterisk, by using star, and if it is only single character, then we can use question mark. Okay, for making selector, we can use variables in it and pass value to it. Okay. Okay, friends, that's all for today. Please keep watching my videos. Please comment how is my video, and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.